Discover this solid and spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home ideally located between Ottumwa and Bloomfield, Iowa. With over 2,000 square feet of main floor living space, this home offers both comfort and practicality in a prime rural setting. The floor plan features a true master suite with a large walk-in closet, first floor laundry, and an attached 30 by 36 garage with concrete flooring, providing plenty of room for vehicles, tools, and equipment. Step out the back door and enjoy peaceful views from the deck overlooking the backyard and private pond, an ideal setting for relaxing or entertaining. The property is set up perfectly for hobby farming or anyone seeking a self-sufficient lifestyle while remaining close to town. Multiple sheds and outbuildings, some with power, offer ample storage and flexibility. Whether you need a workspace, equipment storage, or a future chicken coop, this property has you covered. For the outdoor enthusiast, the land is a true gem. Located in a well-known area for producing trophy caliber white-tailed deer, it features a mix of rolling terrain, hardwood timber, and several draws ideal for hunting. You'll find mature white oak and walnuts throughout, along with a centrally located food plot, easily accessible via north side easement, making fieldwork and equipment access a breeze. Well-maintained trails wind throughout the property, providing easy navigation to key hunting spots and the stock pond. Opportunities to own a solid home on a quality acreage like this are becoming harder to find in today's market. Whether you're looking for a family homestead, a recreational getaway, or a turnkey hunting property, this one checks all the boxes. Schedule your private showing today.